سحر نال سر کن. Where is this guy? What the hell?
Good evening, good evening.
Hello, hi.
My name is Mr. Brown, Mr. Pudit. What is?
Puria.
So your name Doodle?
Dude, what the hell? Puria.
Alright, I'm gonna call you Jim.
Jim, what is this workout? My name is Puria. It's like from my Persian culture. It means king.
Oh, you're Persian. Oh, so you make them rug there?
Yes. My uncle owned like 7 store.
Okay, and the cat them?
Yes. Mia, smooth, very nice. I have like 10.
Okay, alright. Alright, so whenever you're ready, Doodle man, you're just gonna go down there and make a lift, alright?
Doodle man, خفش و بیشور.
Hey!
What?
Don't come like you want to come spit up in the car with them look something there, man.
What do you mean?
You know the manners?
I speak my language.
What that Persianese?
Persianese? Are you Jamaicanese?
Yeah, bad man. It's called patois. Mind yourself, you know.
What the hell is patty?
Mr. Patois. It's called patois.
Oh, patois.
Yeah, not Jamaicanese, patois.
Oh, okay, yeah, I speak Farsi.
What?
Whoa, what?
Yo, who y'all call Farsi?
What do you mean? It's my language. I speak Farsi.
Yeah,
come on,
Farsi.
buddy. Yeah, he's like good GQ, man.
Oh, sorry, brother.
He's a Versace guy.
Okay, alright, my bad. Alright, so whenever you're ready, go on, sir. Make a left, right?
Right, okay.
Alright, whenever you're ready.
Yeah, just 1 second. I need my tea.
Brother.
What?
What you do?
What do you mean?
This is a driving exam, but you have poor tea. What happened to you?
I thirsty. You want some?
You want to feel?
What is feel?
Fail, F.
Fail?
Fail.
No. I need A.
I'll put on the tea.
Okay. I put. Don't worry. I put right here, man.
I'm telling people.
I'm going.
Put on the tea.
We go. Sorry. Okay.
People are gone from bad to worse.
I don't know. Okay.
Alright, go down there, sir.
Yeah.
And make a left, right?
Right. Okay.
Make sure you understand what I say, you know.
Yes. Okay.
Lord.
I go.
Persianese people.
But I don't know what the
You know, Jim, you start off on the wrong foot already, you know, Jim.
What do you mean? He's Puria. I told you 10 times.
Alright, whatever you say, Doodle man. Yeah, bad man. What me just say?
What?
Me say if you go left.
You say go right.
Me say if you go left, right?
No. You say go right.
No. You know what? Just go straight.
Okay. No.
Jim, just go straight, Jim.
Okay. Work out. Okay. Sorry. No.
No. And people, yeah, man, always. Why Mr. Brown always get them type of people, yeah, man? Why Mr. Brown always get them type of people?
I'm sorry. Next time I get it right. Okay. I get correct. My bad. So, Mr. Brown, you like the rum?
Yeah, I like rum. You drink rum?
Oh, yeah, no, buddy. Me, my wife and I, we drink lots of rum. What is it called? Ray and...
Nephew?
Yeah. Oh my God, why not call it Ray and niece?
Ray and niece? Me don't know. I mean, make it? How much me know?
I don't know, you're Jamaican.
So what? So me know everything about Jamaica?
Of course.
Man, just drive up the car, man. Talking foolishness.
I don't know. It's not my problem.
Doodle man, just drive.
Doodle man. How about Mr. Brown? You like the dancing, like the reggae?
Yeah, I like reggae.
Nice.
You like reggae?
Yeah, of course, yeah. But my favorite music is the best, number one Persian music.
Persian music?
Yes.
We never hear no Persian music.
You never hear Persian music? مرغ سحر نال سر کن. What?
Easy with the la 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 and vibes. Hey, man.
What do you mean?
I'm looking opera something that easy, no man.
No. What do you mean?
Stop it. No, man, I like that.
Why not? No.
That no sound good.
It's very good. What are you talking?
That no sound good.
Okay, no. How about the summertime in the Pum Pum, summertime in the Vixen. Summertime in the country. Come on, yeah, you like that? Yeah, vibes. Carter.
Yeah,
no, he's very good.
I'm good.
Yeah, no.
But Mr. After man is 2 points. So here's violation something.
No. Sorry. I have something for you.
You have something for me?
I have something for you.
Oh, you have something for Mr. Brown?
Oh, I of course, buddy. I have something. Don't worry.
Make sure you know.
No, just give me 2 points. Don't put the minus.
Alright.
I have something, don't worry.
Plus?
Plus, yes.
2 points.
2 points.
Make sure you have my things, you know.
Oh, don't worry, I bring, don't worry.
Oh.
Just, yeah, good job, good, very good. Mr. Brown, I actually just very funny. I worked with this guy, this Jamaican guy.
Yeah.
You know him, Winston?
How much you know him?
I don't know. You're a Jamaican, you.
So what? Because I'm Jamaican, if you know every Jamaican somebody?
Of course, yeah.
Brother. Well, me know a boy named Aladdin, you know him?
Yeah, Disney.
Dude, man, you talk about your foolishness, but
I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
Idiot talk, about.
I don't know.
But so what? Because you come from, come again, Persia, you know every Persian somebody?
I'm not from Persia, I'm from Iran.
What do you mean, Iran? You know to say from Persia?
No, I am Persian, but I come from Iran.
But on a two different place that?
No, it's same place.
Wait, hold on.
It's not that hard.
That don't make no sense.
It makes
I am Jamaican,
Uh-huh.
so I come from Jamaica.
Yes.
Right? A person from Canada, them come from Canada.
Yeah.
You are Persian, so if you come from Persia.
Iran. But
That don't make no sense, bad man.
how it not make sense? Okay, I am Persian, I am from Iran. Iran is from Middle East, beside Iraq.
Oh, okay, so you're Arab.
What the hell you just say?
So you're Arab in the Middle East, no?
No, I am not Arab. I am not Arab. What the hell you are talking?
Yeah, bad man, come on from me, brother. You know, some Louis Vuitton this, you know?
Louis Vuitton, but I wear Gucci.
Gucci?
Expensive.
Why boycott Gucci? We not
Well,
support Gucci around
you
yourself.
can't even afford Gucci or Louis. I can because I am rich.
Brother, you know what? You're lucky, you know? Or else you would have failed this exam already. You know what? Make sure you have my ticks. You know what? You
Yeah, don't worry, don't worry.
You know what? Go back to our driving place because
I am going.
because we're good.
No, yeah.
We're good. We alright.
Baba. This guy. Kiss your teeth. Why kiss your
Touch up
teeth?
me Louis Vuitton and them something. Man, you're boxing, you know, do the man.
You can't even spell Louis.
Oh, where you come from? I'm name what?
Iran.
How it name Iran and it's spelled with an I? Eh?
Because it's Iran. It's Iran. Iran.
So if it's Iran, enough it ERAN Iran, eh?
Yeah. Iran.
No. So if it's I, but it's spelled with an I, it's spelled with an E.
Yes, exactly.
So
you're right.
So it's spelled with an I, it's Iran.
No, it's IRAN Iran. IRAQ Iraq.
But just go back to driving place, man. Cause
It's not that hard. It's not my problem. You don't understand.
You're perplexed me brain with them foolishness.
What the hell you are talking? I don't even know. This guy.
Sure.
Okay, so we are here. Very good. And yes, I have something.
To tell you the truth, you would have feel, you know. You would have feel, but you're lucky.
Yeah, I am lucky. I am a very nice guy.
Just hurry up with my things, man.
Sorry, I have something. Okay, so just hold this for 1 second. Just hold this 1 second. And this one too, very nice Persian dessert. Don't ask questions. This is my Quran. Just 1 second.
Hurry up, no man.
I need to smell good for my wife. Okay, here you go, buddy.
What is?
It's saffron.
What?
Saffron.
But I want my things.
This is like gold. You said you want something.
Yeah, I want things. I want money. I don't want this. What am I to do with this? What is?
Don't worry. You put it on food. It's like money for your heart.
What is seasoning?
Very rich.
Brother, yo.
What?
Take them something about bad man.
What do you mean?
Okay, you take Mr. Brown for idiot, you know?
No, you're not. You are not idiot.
Fear.
No. Oh my God! You failed me. Come on.
Come on to me.
Hey, please, buddy. What the hell, man? I love the vibes and everything. Like fever, fire, punani, wine for me, baby. Everything, Chris. How I feel? I good driver. پشیمون شدم